Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you guys my realistic night routine and what products I use. The African Pride shampoo helps detangle my hair and also bring back moisture in my hair. So I'm just taking a handful of this product and just put it through my hair. So since I dye my hair and I use gel in my hair, and I also have real bad dry hair, so this is what helps bring back moisture to my hair. So right here I'm using the mielle deep conditioner with rice water and aloe vera. I use this to help with the dryness in my hair, breakage, and it also hydrate and protect my hair, reduce frizz, and also damage hair. So right now I'm just massaging this in my hair. Yeah, so I'm just massaging, and I also leave this in for 10 minutes and no longer than 10 minutes.
That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that, then I repay. Don't be scared,
So right here I'm just using a whole blend honey repair and conditioner. Just help with my breakage and also help bring moisture back to my hair. Like I said, I do have dry hair, so I'm just conditioning double just to keep that moisture in my hair, keep it locked in. So yeah, I'm just massaging it in my hair.
Where do the good boys go to hide away?
So last but not least, I use the Mielle Rosemary Mint Shampoo. It's a gentle cleanser for my hair and helps strengthen my hair. So I just take a whole handful of this shampoo, and I also just massage it in my hair. Just get it everywhere. Make sure I get it everywhere, because plus it's washing out the extra dye I have in my hair, also all that gel I put in my hair just to curl my hair. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So right here, I'm starting with my body care. I am starting with the Dow soap. I just use Dow soap as a first cleanser. It helps with antibacterial. I do be around a lot of people at work, and germs do hop off other people onto you. So that is why I am using this Dow soap everywhere. I use it on my legs. I use it on my arms, underarms, just everywhere I be sweating it, that's where I use it. So right here I start with my pan oxy cleaner. It helps with my acne, so I use this. I know a lot of people don't use this because it don't get foamy, but I just use it for my body. I don't use it for my face. I just use this for my body because I get a lot of real bad body acne, and also a lot of dark, once the pimple pop or whatever, I get a lot of dark spots wherever the acne is. So right here I'm just scrubbing wherever I need to scrub it, wherever I have my bad acne. I also get my chest because I really do have really bad acne on my chest. So right here I'm just using my Dove Night Recovery body cleanser. It got retniol serum in it, and this smells so good. You use this when you wake up, like you go to bed, you wake up and you still smell like this. I also had the what is it called? I forgot. The scrub. I also had the scrub, and both of them smell so good together. So I just get everywhere that I have acne also, and just everywhere. I just put it everywhere, my legs, my arms, and all over my body. So right here I am using the Summer Eve Arbor Night. So I use this. I've been growing up with this. I use this. It don't do any harm to me, so that's why I use it. But if I don't have this, I also use the honey pot, and I feel like the honey pot is way better. But I only had this, so this is what I use. So right here I'm just using the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant body oil. Y'all, this after the shower, this have your body so smooth, so shiny, have your body a glow. And then when you wake up in the morning, your body still have that glow. This is it, y'all. Use this right after the shower. Put it everywhere, your legs, everywhere. And plus, when you wake up in the morning, you won't be ashy. I learned this from I got this hack from some girl I watched on TikTok when she was doing her night routine, and y'all, this worked phenomenally without you being ashy. Because when I use other lotions after I get out the shower, I be ashy in the morning, and then I have to put all that lotion back on me in the morning. So this helps bring shyness, have your body soft, and everything. So right here, I am just using the Sensodyne toothpaste. This toothpaste really helps whiten my teeth. It also helps with the sensitive in my teeth, because normally when I eat stuff, my teeth have a really, really bad pain, and I figured it out. Like when I use other toothpaste, it still do the same thing, but when I use this toothpaste, like all that goes away after I eat something. So that's what I brush my teeth with. That's all that I use. So right here, I use the green disposable tongue scrapers. I just use these. I got the big bag, so I just throw the one I use away. I don't keep it. I just scrape my tongue, get all that gunk off my tongue, extra bacteria that have my breath stinky. I just get it off my tongue. So right here, I am using the green flossers, the double flossers, basically just to floss my teeth, get all whatever's in between my teeth, get it out. Whatever is gonna make my breath smell bad, get it out of my teeth. So right here, I am using the Ordinary Glucoside Foaming Cleanser. I just put this on my brush. So basically, this is my cleanser. If you haven't watched my skin routine, the other one, it did change. I just seen the little bowl. My skin routine did change, so I put this in my skin routine. This is my face cleansing wash. I noticed a big change when I use this wash, plus when I use cold water, and it really did help with my skin. So I'm just using this new cleanser that I use, and I noticed that it is very gentle and is not harsh on my face. So yeah, this is why I use it, and it don't have a fragrance. So yeah, I really do like this cleanser by Ordinary. So right here, I'm just using one of my Ordinary serums. I'm not gonna butcher that name. I'm gonna, since y'all can't see it right there, I'm gonna put the name of the serum on the screen. So right here, I am just massaging it in my face. I do use this while my face is wet. My face is wet. It don't look like it's damp, whatever. It don't look like it's wet or whatever, but it is. So I just massage it all over my face. Y'all see me? I use my little fingertip. So that's what I do. I just rub it everywhere where I have acne prone. So I do have acne prone skin. I really do get really bad acne, especially when I own my lady. So that's what I do. I'm just fanning it in. Y'all just give me that cool sensation every time I use it. Yeah, so that's why I really do love Ordinary products. They never stood me wrong. So right here, I'm using my Good Molecule Discoloration Correcting Serum. Y'all, I said this so wrong. But excuse me. I am using this serum to correct my high pigmentation that I have. I do have some on my neck. I do have some on my cheeks. So I'm really trying to get rid of my high pigmentation. I'm trying to really get my skin how I want my skin to be. I am just I'm really working on my skin routine. I know it's taking me a while to do it, but I'm trying to figure out what works for me, and I know that this product really do works for me. I just have to keep using it. I do stop using it sometimes, but I just have to keep using this product on my face because it do really helps. And I do suggest this product if you do have high pigmentation. So right here, I am using my niacinamide brightening toner. by Good Molecules. Y'all, this is some good stuff. Like, it really helped with my high pigmentation on my neck and also on my face, because on my face I had like really bad big high pigmentation. Y'all see how little it is on the side of my face? Plus, when I was using the discoloration Good Molecules serum, y'all, that stuff worked miracles. Like, it really do work. I just have to keep using it, because I do have to buy me some more of that toner. I really do love that toner. It helps out a lot. I see a difference in my face. I do suggest this product if you're really suffering for high pigmentation, just like the discoloration serum by Good Molecules. This really do helps with the brightness and help with the high pigmentation on your face. So right here I am using the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing. So I just use it all over my face. I just take a little palm size, because the little dabs, it went all over my face. I ain't gonna lie, little palm size do really help. So I've been using this moisturizer, and I have been seeing a difference from when I was using my Survey. I Survey moisturizer. I do love Survey. I'm going to continue using it because I still use the face wash. So I'm just rubbing it all on my face. I do notice that my face is really smooth when I use this. It do have I don't know what type of texture it have, but it's like a gel texture, and I really do love it. I just rub it everywhere. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, just fixing my what's called, y'all said it's a stain on my shirt. But yeah, I'm just singing, I'm listening to music, I'm just fanning myself, because I am playing music. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So right here for my lips, I am using the St. Ives. I've been using this for a while. I had one, I used that up. I've been using this lip scrub for a minute. It really do helps with your lips. I seen outcome out of it. I really do like it. I don't lick it off. Like, you can lick that off, but I don't lick it off because I don't like the taste of it. But I do love the smell of it. It is watermelon smell. So I just scrub that all over my lip, because my lips do get dry, and I'm trying to keep them hydrated. So yeah, I'm just rubbing it all over my lips. That's what products I use for my lips. Lip care. I normally do a lip mask, but at the moment I didn't have no lip mask, because I use them all, because I love using lip masks. So I'm just letting it sit, and I also use my towel and wipe it off my face. Wipe it off my lips, really, not my face, but wipe it off my face and my lips. Yeah, I don't really like licking it off. Like I said, just wipe it off. So that's what I'm doing right here, just wiping off my lip scrub. And last but not least, I use the e.l.f. lip balm too. I really love this product. I really do love this lip balm. I just put it everywhere. I use this like every day at work, like every single day at work. This is some really good lip balm, hydrating, really soft on the lips. Like, it's a little tube though. It's a little tube, but it costs $4. That's a little tube for $4, but it's some really good lip balm. I really do love this lip balm. So this is the end of the video. Hope you guys like the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload, and I will see you guys in the next video.